Welcome to Islip Flow Controls. We are a premier designer and manufacturer of all different types of pipeline strainers, valves, and accessories used in industrial pipelines, oil and gas, petrochemical, power, energy, and HVAC commercial markets. Here's the first sector of our business, which is our warehouse distribution center, where we carry over 1,200 different types of equipment. A significant amount of inventory that includes strainers, valves, butterfly valves, and accessories. This is our second segment of the business, which is where we manufacture all different types of custom baskets and screens. We have all the perforated plate ready to go that is rolled and formed using our machinery and TIG and spot welded to custom designs that are selected by you, the customer.